Hi guys, we start by unboxing the D-Link Mini Wi-Fi Smart Plug. The smart plug is very simple and compact, and can fit into any power extension without obstructing any neighboring plugs. It comes with quick installation guide and warranty note. Okay, let's start with the app setup. Plug in your smart plug to the power point and turn it on. And now download the My D-Link app from App Store or Play Store. Once done, open it for first-time configuration. Tap Allow to allow notification. And now, tap Create Account if you don't have D-Link account. Tap Sign Up after you filled up the email address and password. Also, go to your email inbox to verify your account. Now, tap Sign In and sign in using the email address that you've just registered. Tap Next, and tap OK to allow My D-Link app to access your Bluetooth setting for device setup. Now tap Add Device. Tap Scan button, and scan the QR code that is printed on the smart plug. Tap Next, and tap Join to connect to smart plug Wi-Fi connection. Click OK when prompted. Now, choose your Wi-Fi name and enter your Wi-Fi password to allow Smart Plug to access your Wi-Fi connection. Tap Join to allow permission for your Smart Plug to access your Wi-Fi network. Now, please give your Smart Plug a name so that you can remember easily. Since I will be using this Smart Plug in living room, I will type living room and tap Next. Congratulations! You successfully configured your smart plug. Now it is time for testing. Plug in your electric appliance, and we will test it using the My D-Link app. Tap on small icon on the corner right. It is turning on. Now to turn off, tap the same small icon. Now, let's test the timer function on the smart plug. This is useful when you want to turn on or off the switch after some time period. All you have to do is choose the time and tap on Start, and you will be able to see the countdown start immediately. You can choose either switch on or switch off after the time period ended. As you can see, the light is turning on after I set timer for 1 minute. Now, let's check how to schedule time for the smart plug to only operate during the time that you have configured. Tap on the side menu and tap Schedule. Tap Start, choose Device, Next, choose the smart plug name, Next. To schedule, tap anywhere on this calendar. For this example, I will choose on Friday, and I want this smart plug to turn on my light from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. the next day. Tap Done and tap Save to save the schedule. Now, let's link the plug with Google Home so that we can control this switch using voice command. Tap on side menu and tap Voice Control. Tap Google Assistant and tap Link from Google Home. Now, it will switch to our Google Home app, and tap Agree and Link once it pop up. Wait for a while, and now, you will be able to choose the smart plug that you have configured. Choose Device and tap Next. Choose a home for this smart plug, Next. Choose Device Location, Next. And now, you will be able to control this smart plug directly from Google Home app. You can switch it on and off. Okay, let's use voice to control this device. Hey Google, please turn on living room light. Hey Google, please turn off living room light.
If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to check out new tutorials from us.